So welcome guys to another video of REALME and another video of my newest series, which is Should You Buy It. And today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the REALME BUDS Q2 and answer the question that should you buy it. So guys, let's start off with the unboxing. So here's the box of the REALME BUDS Q2, and first off we got the signs here. It says it has a game mode which has 88 ms super low latency. So this, when you play games, your sound doesn't sync with the gaming, like you're shooting something or you're shooting a player or you're playing a game or you're racing. The sound is sometimes delayed by a few seconds. So this is not here because it has a super low latency of 88 ms. Then you have an instant connection, which I'm going to show you. It connects very fast. You just turn on Bluetooth and it connects. And then you also got noise cancellation. So these are noise cancellation, and at this price most of the noise cancellations are not as good. It's just a formality. But then let's see whether it is worth it, or it does have the noise cancellation. Does it work? So the battery is a 20-hour long, and I've tested it for 2 weeks, and it is quite good. The battery is quite good. I've never charged it once. And then it just takes 10 minutes. I don't know if it takes 10 minutes. I've put it for half an hour and more time, but maybe it does. So let's start off with opening the package. So we're gonna open it from below. So you got a bar here, and then it comes out. So there's the box, and then keep it aside. So here's this. So this is the earbuds, I guess. So let's open this. So these are the earbuds. Let's keep them aside. And then below this, oh, you got this as well. So you got some changeable ear tips. I've used them before, but I repackaged them so you could get a real unboxing experience. And you get this cable here, and then you get the manual. So this is how it comes. So the ear tips are, you can obviously use them if your old ones do not fit. They're small and they're big ones. Let's keep them apart. There's a cable, so I'm going to show you in a bit how it charges. Manual, you got how to apply and how to start it and all those settings. It comes with an app, by the way, so you can download the app on Play Store. So these are the earbuds. So just let me focus. So these are earbuds. So they're quite awesome. And it opens like this. And it has a magnetic type of feel. It's not magnetic, but you got this, it's gonna click sound, which I really like. So here are the earbuds. So let's take them out. So okay, it says to peel off. So we're gonna peel this off. Keep it aside. This aside as well. Also, by the way, it has touch controls, so that's something you don't get in these type of earbuds. So let's keep this aside. So say it up, so no, it's okay. So these are the earbuds. So yeah, the main earbuds. So this is how it looks. There's a look of this, and I really like it. It's similar to other ones. They do not try to copy just Apple like most brands do. They just try to copy Apple and just get there. It's not focusing. Yeah, it's focusing now. So you got the REALME here. So these are the earbuds. The ear tips have a bit of a yellow accent inside. If you see from this side, it has this yellow accent, and then these are the two magnetic ones which go right here. It has this magnetic click to it, like this, and it's really awesome. I really love it. So there's the box. It charges, and it charges for hours. I've used this. I've used this for like hours. I don't use it much, like only playing a few games or like doing studies and listening to music. I do it for an hour or two, and then the charge goes to 80, and then I put it in this, and in just 10 minutes when I take it out the next day, it just charges by itself. So there's something, you just need to charge the box, and then but it has to be in there. So now they're actually pairing. I don't know if you can hear the song, but they are actually pairing now. they like have that sound which they are finding a device to connect, and this is how it is. So they obviously have touch control, so let me just demonstrate how to charge these. They are just simple to charge. You just have to take this and you put it in here. Once you put it in here, you have to plug this, and then there's then a orange light down here when it charges, and once it's fully charged you get a green light here, and that's pretty much it. And then you also got this glossy finish right here, and these are the earbuds. So let me now demonstrate the application. So guys, I'm really sorry for that weird cut, but I just realized that the phone I'm recording from has the app for that, so I just switched the mobile, so I'm recording from another phone. So the quality might be different. It might be a higher quality on this phone, but I don't usually record on this phone because it's just like it doesn't have much storage, so I don't want to fill it up with all my YouTube stuff. So I was about to talk about the app, but before that I just want to show you how it charges. So this is how it is. I put it in here. You take a random plug and then you put it in here, just something like this. It has this red light. So once it fully charges, you can just put it in, put these in, and it started charging. So let's put this in. So when it charges, it just turns green and that's it. But I really like the light. It's a small light and it's really awesome. So let's now keep it aside, and then let's come back to it. So there they are. Here they are again. So these two apps. So I'm just going to show you how fast it did to connect. So it's just like they're in here, okay, and I got my Bluetooth on, and it says they're already connected for audio. So that, okay, now they're disconnected because I've just kept them inside, but once I take them out, it's just that, and then it searches. They're connected. Now you can hear. So that's how fast they are. They're quite fast to connect, and I really love that. You just take them out, you just slide them into your ears, and then it connects by itself, and you don't need to press any button most of the times. It's just when you just put it on charge or they're fully completely shut down, that's the only time you have to reconnect it by clicking on here. But that's how easy they are to connect, and it also shows the charge here. So they're really awesome. And just connect, and you can disconnect and connect them again. So, and the thing is, they also have an app, which I'm just going to show you. This is a REALME Link app. So it works. So here's the app. Here they have this REALME BUDS Q2. So it shows how much charge is on each side. And then this is a feature I really like. So here you got the different sound settings. I usually listen to music with this. I don't play games much with these ones because I usually game for long hours, and I don't just put them in house. I just use them when I go outside or somewhere. So I use my normal headphones for these ones, but you can use them on dynamic. When you use it on dynamic, you can do that, but you can put it on bass boost as well. I use it on a higher bass because I usually listen songs, music, and I usually like this for the music. But it depends if you listen to pop music, and if you listen to dynamic music, you use this. Bright, I've never used. I think it's mostly if you're recording something out of these microphones. You can also record. That's something good. And I'll just give you a demo of how they are, how the microphone is when you listen to it. So I'm just going to connect it to this, and then I'm going to record myself through the microphone, so you can know that how the microphone is. And then this is the gaming mode, which is let me show you the touch controls. So this is the gaming mode right here. So you can just turn it on like this. But the thing is, if I just long press these two, the gaming mode turns on. So there's a gaming mode turned on. I didn't press anything. It's just like it goes by itself. You can even turn it off just like that. You see this blue line right here. You just long press this, both of them, and turns off. That's how it is. But then you can also set your buttons here. So you go to button, and then I got all buttons. Like if I double tap, it plays some music. So let's put on music. Let's go to music. So okay, so when I double press this, any side. When you double press, you see it starts playing. It works. And then if you long press one side, it goes to the next song, and if you press on the left side, it goes to the previous song. That's how it is. And when you press both of them, it goes to gaming mode obviously, and then you can pause it with a double press. Sometimes it might not recognize your touch because you need your fingertip to do it. So once you do this, it stops. So it has to be gentle, not so hard. And that's pretty much it. The app is really awesome. I really love the app for all the settings and different kind of things. And these are the earbuds mainly. The sound quality is really good. I'm sorry I couldn't test, but I will test the microphone quality so you can know how they are. But they're really awesome. They're really good. I really love them. And they're also not that cheap. They are in the medium price range, which obviously ensures you quality and durability. And they have a quality, and they also have a durability. So that's why I spend more. There are cheaper ones out there, but you don't get these features, this noise cancellation. But let me also give you a test of the noise cancellation and how the microphone is. So let me just cut to another part, and then I'm going to show you how they sound. So guys, I'm recording this from the earbuds. I just did a demo before this, and it was a bit noisy, and I think it's still noisy. And I've just turned on the AC. I've not turned on the fan. I know it's winter, but I didn't turn on the fan because I didn't want to cause like extra noise. But still want to use my other headphones, which are the AKG ones, the Samsung ones, which I usually use to record. Those microphones are way clearer than this. But then I think it does cancel out noise, but not as much. And I'll just hear it again, and I'll just write down right on the top of the screen. And this is while I'm wearing them, so I'm just going to remove them and talk into the microphone now. So guys, I don't know if there's any difference in this, but then there should be a little difference. And sometimes you might be hearing like some of those popping sounds. It's mostly because I'm just touching them. So that's one thing that's not good. Like you're doing a call and you by mistake touch your ear, your voice can be distracted by any touch or any interference. But I think the microphone is quite good. Even if they didn't add noise cancellation, that sucks a bit because you don't have noise cancellation as they have written in there. But it is noise cancellation when you see it in this budget range. You don't even get microphones that good. They don't even sound so clear. At least I can at least my voice is just like it is with the other microphones and just like it is in real life. So, but I think they are quite great. We don't use these much as microphone. It's just like you go outside and then no one's gonna wear it for 24 hours and do every single call with this. It's only just at sometimes, and I think it's quite okay. But in public places, obviously you cannot do a call with this, and it's just gonna sound like it sounds on any other phone. So this was a clip of me talking to the microphone of the earbuds. So guys, let's end the video here, and I'm just gonna end the video with a review. I didn't want to make it as long as other videos. I want to make it long but in detail, but not as long. So there's the review. These earphones are really good and they're really great, and I love them. They got all these features that I really like, and I think they are the best earbuds out there. They're just new, so you might not find them there, but it's from Realme, and Realme might not be a well-known brand, but it might take off just like other brands like Huawei did. And these, which are at this price range right now, might cost even double or triple the price they are right now. And that's obvious when these ones take off, and they are getting quite popular as I see online. And that's the reason I specifically bought these. When I was buying these, the place I went, they were out of stock. There were a lot of options, more expensive than these, cheaper than these, but these are the best. Not in terms of price, but even if you take the price apart, these are just as compact and as handy as any other, and quality is really good. The bit quality, and just this top wobbles a bit sometimes, but then apart from that, these are the best, and I really love them. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.